Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. And this, like most of our vehicles, is a wheelchair and mobility accessible van. I'll get right to the conversion. Very easy to operate. I can do it with just 2 fingers. Manual ramp, manual door. Got these clamps down here to keep this ramp from rattling. It's a real good design. You have a handle on either side. I'm going to use the passenger side handle. All this takes is 1 finger. Look, I can take it to the ground using only my index finger. Very easy to do. I tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps. 34 inches wide. It does taper down to 32 where the ramp sets down low, so you can have wide armrests, but it is 32 in the base coming in there. 56 inches coming inside the door. 58 inches of headroom inside the van. 800-pound weight capacity on the ramp. 2 tie downs in the back, 4 in the center, 2 up front. So this van is equipped for 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. Got your spare tire there. Headliner's in great condition. Got your rear air controls. Between these seats is 21 inches of room. You can either put your legs between the seats, the passengers, or we can remove a seat. We can put flip-based seats that fold out of the way. So let us know what you're looking for, what measurements you need. We can modify the van to meet your needs. The dash is in excellent condition. It's got the steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Radio's got the auxiliary port. Dual climate control, rear air controls, cup holders galore, plenty of plug-ins for all the electronics. So when you've got everybody secure, come back out. Look, 1 finger. We do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with this van. And you go to shut her down. You're ready to roll. I'm going to do a quick walk around of the van. Tinted windows, keep you nice and cool in the summertime. The rear tires are fair to good condition. They still have some tread left on them. The front tires are pretty good. We rotated them. Front tires have a little bit more tread left on them. Overall, though, very clean van. It's hard to find a dent or scratch on this thing. It's been very well taken care of. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in the van. These middle row seats are very clean. Have the armrests in them. These will fold down if you need them to. Very clean interior as well. There's the VIN number. We always show the VIN number in our videos so you know that we're selling the van that we say we're selling. Very clean interior. It does have the 1 key which has the keyless remote on it. If you'd like us to make you another key, we can. Those keys are $199 each. There's all the cup holders I mentioned. Current mile is 37,000 miles. And some change. I gotta start the van up. Check engine light, dummy, airbag light, ABS, they all work, and of course they all go out. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 from Dodge. We've checked for any damage. We look for water damage. We look for signs of accidents. This van seems to be in excellent shape inside and out. Crawl underneath the van, much of the same. You know, no matter, hope you buy a van from Affordable Mobility. No matter who you buy from, get yourself a video like this. That is the #1 mistake people make when they're car shopping. They think because it looks nice, the van looks nice in the pictures. They think because the salesman was nice to them that the van's a good deal, that the van's a good van. Do not assume things. That's the #1 mistake people make. Do you want to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 and hope that it's in good condition? Hope that it runs and drives the way you want it to? Or do you want to tell them to get out and make a video for you? Don't be one of the people getting burned on the internet every day. It happens all day, every day. Don't be one of them. Demand a video. We've tested the power windows, power locks, air conditioning. I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. Let's get the van out on the highway for a drive. One thing I did want to show you on this van, the keyless entry works on this door. It locks. It unlocks. Did you hear that buzz? This lock works fine. It's got that annoying, that buzzing sound. Dodges are notorious for this. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a recall on them soon. But it's like a $300 or $400 part from Dodge. Again, the lock works fine. If you want us to replace this at your cost, we can. But we're selling these wholesale, not retail. If you want to buy this at a retail price, $15,000 more than I'm selling it, I'll fix that $400 lock for you. But just wanted to be honest with you, let you know that's going on. Kind of a noise nuisance, but overall it works fine. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive, get them out on the highway, so you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or you come in and drive this van home, we have made sure that it's roadworthy and that we're not hiding anything. Gets up to 65, 70 miles an hour, no problems. Steering wheel is nice and straight. It's not bouncing back and forth. The van tracks down the highway very nicely. Cruise control set. Now, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. You need to ask yourself, look at their reputation online first of all. Do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau like we do? Also look at our Google reviews. Look at all the nice things our customers said about us. All the people that have been in your shoes and that turned out very happy customers. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden administrative fees or document fees or tag fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online, then they have a $500 administrative fee. They have a $1,000, $1,200. You know, if they're gonna hide money from you, what else are they hiding from you? Again, questions you need to ask yourself so you're not getting one of those people getting burned on the internet. I'm gonna take the next exit here. I'm gonna give the van a hard brake at the bottom of the exit so you can see that there's no unusual brake noise or grinding. Brake smooth, no issues. Overall, very clean van. So whether it's for your business or for your family, I believe if this van is taken care of, it should be a great van for many years to last. With that being said, do realize this is a used vehicle. I do suggest purchasing a warranty for every used vehicle. Again, we're selling these wholesale. If you want to buy this retail, I'll put a real nice warranty on it for you. If you want to save $10,000, $12,000, $15,000, I'm going to ask that if you want a warranty, you buy one, and I strongly suggest them. We sell them very affordably. And comparing this back to the competition, I'm the owner of the company. I'm out here making a video. I'm getting on the ground so you can see what's going on with our vans. I want to be honest and fair as I possibly can. I've been doing this 8 years. I've never had a customer call me and say, oh, Jeremiah, that wasn't what I was expecting. They always say that's exactly what I was expecting, and that's why we do these videos. And that's why I suggest you demand a video. Don't spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 on some pictures. Very clean inside and out. And as I mentioned, do business with the owner. That's me. Do not do business with a used car salesman. Most of them will have a new job somewhere else next month. They don't care if you get a good deal on a van. They don't care if you hear the honest truth. All they care is about getting that commission. I'm going to be here 5 years from now. I'm going to be here 10 years from now. I do care about a good reputation. I do care about our customers. And I want not only your repeat business, but I want you referring people to us. So one big thing to think about. If you want to see our entire inventory, check us out at www.mobility316.com. If you're ever going to come in to see a van, please always make an appointment with us. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. Give me a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text anytime, 316-518-4377. You now have the owner's cell phone number. Try to get the owner's cell phone number at one of those big businesses if there's ever an issue. Good luck. We do have financing available. We can send you an application over the phone, to your email, or we can take one over the phone. So as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.